He was Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Muhammad, teacher of all mankind. Muhammad, mercy of all mankind. Abul Qasim, Ya Habibi, Ya Muhammad, Ya Shafi'i, Ya Muhammad, Khairu Khalqillahi Muhammad, Ya Imam al-Mursalin. He taught us to be just and kind, and to feed the poor and hungry, help the welfare and the orphan child, and to not be cruel and miserly. His peace was soft and gentle, like a mother is tucking her child. His mercy and compassion were most radiant with his smile. He was Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Muhammad, mercy of all mankind. Muhammad, teacher of all mankind.